Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a flowchart to find a factorial of a number. Let's check what a factorial is. The factorial of a number is the product of all the integers from 1 to that number. For example, if we say 5 factorial, it means that 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The dots are representing multiplication process. The result would be 120 here. For counting or calculating the factorial, we will take two types of places in the memory or the variables. The first one is I, which will behave as a counter loop and count for us from 1 till that number. And the second one is with the name fact. Fact is a short form of factorial. It's my name, I has given it. So we will keep 1 in it. There's a purpose to keep 1 in it because in any multiplication process, you have to keep or initialize the variable or the place in memory with 1. Otherwise, if you will place 0 here, all the multiplication results would be resulting in 0. Here we will keep the multiplication results. Each time the I will be changed, we will multiply the factorial fact into I and then we will keep the result in the variable fact. Okay, let's begin our flowchart with a start symbol. Then we'll take the number for which the factorial is to be found. The next is we will reserve two places in the memory with the name I and fact and we will keep 1 in both. Then we'll apply a check if I is less than equal to n. On the yes side, multiply the fact with I and increment I by 1 and repeat this process until the last limit, that is n, reached. If you are going to find out the factorial of 5, then the last limit would be 5. If I is not equal to or less than 5, then on the no side, we will print what is saved in the fact and stop our flowchart. Alright, let's execute our flowchart by using the trace table. I'm going to calculate 5 factorial by taking the value of n is equals to 5. The first row of my table would be all the memory places we have taken as variable, all the checks we have applied in the decision symbols, and all the processes mentioned in the flowchart. The first row will be I is equals to 1, fact is 1. We will check if I is less than equal to n. In this case, we will check 1 is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is. Then we will multiply fact by I and we will get 1 and we will increment I by 1 to get 2. The second row will start with the new value of I, that is 2. We will check the fact, which is 1 as a result of 1 into 1. Then we will check if 2 is less than equal to 5, means that I is less than equal to n. It will go to the yes side. Then we will calculate the other thing written in the fourth column and then we will increment I. Next time we will start the value from 3 and we will again repeat all the processes. Then we will check it for 4 and then 5. In the last column, if you will see, there is a number 6 by incrementing 5 by 1. When this with the value of 6, I is equals to 6, when the last row will be executed, means that I is equals to 6 here, the fact will be having 120 in it. We will check I is less than equal to n. No, it will not, it will go to the no side as 6 is not less than or not equal to n. So it will print what is stored in the fact, that is 120 in this case. Okay, that's how you can get the factorial of 5 as 120. I hope you got the factorial process. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Till the next one, take care and Allah Hafiz.